Hi, it's Cheryl from Cheryl's Stunning Succulents. Today I'm revisiting an installation from June last year. It is now January and I am in Mission Viejo, California. The garden, of course, looks really full. There is one plant that got burnt, which is this here. I just need to move it to another shady part of the garden. Look at her rabbit. She loves her rabbits. So I incorporated that in her garden. Sticks on fire got really tall. Look at how gorgeous these are. They just are happy here. Look at the trailing crassula. It is really bright here. We're having some kind of a heat wave in January. It's supposed to be in the 80s today. Look at how gorgeous that is. Here's her other rabbit. Look at this pot. I told you I always put in Fred Ives. Look at that color. It's almost red. And she has this gorgeous scenery back here in her backyard. And I have yet to work on this part of her garden, which she's having me do it sometime in a few weeks. Well, thank you for watching. I will see you on my next video. Please subscribe and turn on your notification bell.